Hello and welcome to this episode, How to Think in English All Day, Every Day. Do you want to speak English confidently? Do you want English to feel natural in your mind? Then this podcast is for you. In the next 5 chapters, you will learn how to think in English every day, in every situation. So stay with us, listen carefully, and practice along. Remember, every small step counts. And today is the best day to start. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss an episode that will help you speak English fluently. Chapter 1, Why Thinking in English Matters. You might wonder why thinking in English is important. When you think in English, your brain practices English all the time. You do not need to translate from your language to English. Speaking becomes faster and easier. Today, you are going to start small. Look around you, what do you see? You can think, I see a cup. The cup is on the table. I like this cup. These sentences are simple, but they help your mind connect English words to real things. Yesterday, you might have tried to speak English by translating in your head. That takes time. But now, if you practice thinking in English, your brain learns directly. You will notice that speaking English feels natural after some days. You can also talk about your plans. For example, tomorrow, I will go to the market. I will buy fruits. I will cook lunch. Using future tense is good practice. Do not worry about mistakes. Today you may make mistakes. Tomorrow, you will make fewer mistakes. Every time you practice, you improve. Tonight, before you sleep, think about your day in English. I woke up at 7. I ate breakfast. I studied English. This small practice is very powerful. Remember, you are building a habit. One small step today makes a big difference tomorrow. Start thinking in English, and soon, English will feel like your natural language. Chapter 2, Start with Daily Life. You can start thinking in English by noticing your daily life. Every action you do is an opportunity to practice. Today, while brushing your teeth, you can think, I am brushing my teeth. The water is cold. I like this toothpaste. When you eat, describe it in English. I am eating an apple. The apple is sweet. I feel happy. Simple sentences like these help your brain connect English words to real things. You can also describe the weather. It is sunny today. The sky is blue. I will go for a walk later. Even small observations make your English stronger. Try thinking about your routine in English. I wake up at 7. I drink water. I read a book. I go to the market. Using past, present, and future tenses every day makes your mind comfortable with English. You can also notice other people. For example, my friend is smiling. She looks happy. I like her smile. Describing people and actions in English trains your brain to think naturally in English. Sometimes you can ask yourself questions. What will I do today? Where will I go? What will I eat? Then answer them in English. This helps you prepare for real conversations. Remember, the goal is not perfection. The goal is practice. Every small thought in English counts. You will see improvement in a few days. Start today, pick one activity, like cooking or walking, and describe it in English. Tomorrow, pick another activity. Slowly, thinking in English will become a natural habit in your daily life. Chapter 3, Use Your Imagination. You can practice thinking in English even when nothing is happening around you. Your imagination is a powerful tool. Today, imagine you are on a beach. Think the sand is soft. The water is blue. I am building a sandcastle. You can also imagine simple daily activities. I am cooking dinner. I am chopping vegetables. I am stirring the pot. Even imagined actions help your brain connect English words with real-life situations. Stories are another way to practice. You can make up small stories in English. For example, a cat is walking in the garden. It sees a butterfly. The cat runs after the butterfly. You do not need to make a long story. Short, simple sentences work very well. You can imagine conversations too. I say hello, how are you? My friend says. I am fine, thank you. I feel happy. This helps you prepare for real conversations and makes thinking in English easier. Sometimes you can combine imagination with your daily life. I am walking to the store, I see a rainbow, I feel amazed. Your brain learns to describe both real and imagined experiences in English. Do not worry about mistakes. Imaginary thoughts do not have rules. You can practice freely. The more you use your imagination in English, the faster your thinking will become natural. Start with 5 minutes every day. Imagine something simple and describe it in English. Slowly, your mind will start thinking in English even without effort. Imagination makes learning English creative and fun. Chapter 4, Talk to Yourself. Talking to yourself in English is a very powerful way to practice. You do not need anyone else to listen. Today, try asking yourself questions and answering them. For example, what will I do today? I will study English, I will drink tea, I will go for a walk. You can also talk about your feelings. I feel happy, I am excited, I am a little tired. Expressing emotions in English helps your brain use the language naturally. Planning your day in English is another great exercise. First, I will make breakfast. Then I will read a book. After that, I will clean my room. This trains your mind to think in English while organizing your thoughts. Even small actions count. When you cook, you can say, I am cutting vegetables. I am boiling water. I am adding salt. When you clean, think, I am sweeping the floor. I am washing the dishes. The room looks clean now. Sometimes you can repeat simple phrases aloud. I can do this. I am learning English. I will improve every day. Repeating positive sentences makes your English stronger and builds confidence. Talking to yourself daily, even for 5 or 10 minutes, changes the way you think. Slowly, English will become a natural part of your thoughts. Soon, you will notice that you speak and understand English without translating. Remember, your mind learns by practice. Speak aloud, ask questions, describe your day, and express feelings in English. Every small step makes a big difference. Chapter 5, Practice Patience and Progress. Thinking in English is a habit. You will not become perfect in one day. You need practice and patience. Today, start with small steps. Even 5 minutes of thinking in English is very helpful. Look at your surroundings. Describe everything in English. The sky is blue, the flowers are red, the birds are singing. Yesterday, you may have missed some words. Today, you will notice more. Every day, your vocabulary grows. Combine all the techniques you learned. Notice your daily life. Imagine stories, talk to yourself. Ask questions and answer them. Slowly, your brain will start thinking in English without effort. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are a part of learning. Yesterday, you may have said something wrong. Today, you will improve. Tomorrow, you will improve even more. Every small progress counts. Celebrate small wins. If you thought for 1 whole minute in English, that is a success. If you described your breakfast or your walk in English, that is progress. Patience and consistency are the keys. Soon, you will notice a big change. English will feel natural. You will speak without translating. You will understand faster. Your mind will automatically think in English, and learning will become easier and fun. Remember, practice is your best friend. Keep thinking, imagining, and talking to yourself in English every day. Progress comes slowly but surely. With patience and consistency, you will reach your goal of thinking in English all day, every day. And thank you for listening to How to Think in English All Day, Every Day. Remember, the secret to speaking English confidently is practice, patience, and thinking in English every day. Start small, notice your surroundings. Imagine stories and talk to yourself in English. Slowly, you will see progress, and English will feel natural. Practice a little every day, celebrate your wins, and never give up. You are building a habit that will change the way you speak and understand English forever. If you enjoyed this podcast, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also, listen to these 5 chapters again and practice along. Every time you listen, your English gets stronger. Keep thinking in English, keep practicing. And soon, you will speak English like a natural.